wasn't it a fun time, you and I? Taking a look at people with sombreros? Yes, definitely. Alright then, we better do something a lot more fun than that. I mean, it's getting a little boring. I agree. Being a pair of dress.
Have you forgot, guys? The new Serial Smashers Ice Age surprise was released on 12th August 2020. We forgot that. Well, yeah. We were late.
What are you talking about?
I don't have time for this.
Yeah, we're more than a pair of Jurassic underwear.
Yeah.
Our voice got changed. Alright then. Wait a minute, Crazy Caveman, did you just hear? Hear about what? There's a brand new, exclusive playset for the big, gigantic, you mean
you know
just like
that
our pet?
The new Serial Smashers Ice Age surprise was released. The commercial was released on 12th August 2020. No, we're late.
Alright.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So how's it going?
I was doing great. We're just waiting for the new guy delivery.
Did you get squished on the previous commercial?
Yeah, I got recovered. Hey,
Very well.
Our pet doesn't know better. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you know, new commercial was released on 12th August. You know we're late, right?
I already know. I pretty much did it myself. Let's see if I can try. Alright, so how was it? I think it was alright. Guys, there's a weird creature underneath the slide. Oh, it's just me.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Bob
It must be a blobby fish or something like that.
from Crashlings.
Yes, definitely. Wait, is that really different?
And it does, guys. Have pin holders.
Well, we don't.
Really?
No, we don't.
Yay!
What? Well, why? You don't like pen holders? Guys!
I'm just pretending
look,
to
look.
fart. What the?
Oh! It's time where I introduce you to two new Smashers. They're both from an exclusive playset that I'll be showing you in a few minutes. Special Sunday delivery. Thank you. Have a good special Sunday.
Pop.
Wait a minute. We have to see this. We
I'm
have
just
to.
doing some lip farting like.
Yeah, I know. But we have to see this.
But I got worms, Skippy natural cream, it's extreme bite, Skippy super chunk,
Guys, up here.
Mentos pure, and strawberry mint pie.
What?
Look it up.
Oh. Oh, hey guys. Oh.
Wait a minute. What? Oh, doesn't have pen holders. That's great.
What? What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Is that a toilet? Hold on, I'm just going to get to my friends. They need me. You see those bed bugs? Yeah. It's like every day is a slumber party. Alright then. Hey, Blizzard Bear! Come here, look at this. Yes, sir. Look, there are actual toilets that are dinos. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Everyone is. Whoa. Is that what I think it is? Yeah. It's these two. Alright, let's see if I can get me some chunk peanut butter.
Pretend!
Ow! Oh. Alright, guys. Here is the moment you're waiting for. No way. Oh, is that the other color of that? That's awesome.
Surprise!
Yep, see? This is our pet.
Alright, Dino Rex, you can stop eating now!
Yeah, we're calling him Munchie, the frozen dinosaur. Yeah, I know. It's great to have a big version of a dinosaur. We have a big version of the dinosaur.
Yep, some sound bites.
Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to get me some worms.
It's pretend!
What? It's pretend?
Yeah, it's pretend fish paste.
But what are we gonna eat?
Well,
At G?
Well, maybe just try Kentucky Fried. Yum, 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 cuckoo! And now the time is, it's time for...
Rawr. Welcome to Stickery Mayhem, Crashlings in Space. Are you still trying to get that thing open? Yes. Hold on.
Dinner Slimy, what are you doing here?
I'm talking to my friend, Funny. Hi, Funny.
It's a towel card.
Oh, you're right. It's me. Come on. Come on, open up. Come on. Let's just pretend. You're right. Oh, let me get that for you. Thank you. Now let me sleep in Alright then, but what are we going to do about this?
Executive produced by Finn Kershaw, a Pop Color production, a Pop Communications
Wait. A Pop Color? Don't you mean a Pop Communications Company?
No! A Kershaw's Pop production! Don't you read it?
Yeah, I see here. It says right here, a Pop Communications Company.
But it says there! Pop Color! But first we need to do Donkey Pam's introduction! Hi, Donkey Pam!
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to, my intro. Wait, oh, your crown fell off. Hold Sorry. On. Alright, Donkey Pump, let's just...
I can do my introduction now.
Wait, has all done this before? Yeah, I've think I've already
No!
done it before.
Yeah, we already seen this before. Well, I'm in my introduction right now.
Yeah, you sure you do that?
Yeah! Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gaga's introduction. We're here with the Smasher Series 1 and 2. I'm the
Arctic Ape. And Blizzard Bear.
And it might have been series 1 and 2. It's there also been parts. And the other stuff, including the uglies and the crashlings with the new guy in the upper color.
Oh, it was me? Oh, I'm Sea Slime.
Ah! And the flippin' quavers! And the poopies. And the puppet nuts. And the... What are you doing there?
Oh, here goes.
And the super things. And the fungus, the mangas. And the zarmans. And the salmon things and vehicles with panda.
Hello, guys.
And the slimers. And the silver dogs. The gloopers and the trash bag with the new guy in the upper color.
Flushosaurus.
And the new guy in the quartet fret upper color.
Quadruple friend of her color.
Alright. Quadruple fret upper color.
The ugly bad bug.
Yeah. And
Hold on, we gotta do one more thing. You're really sleepy.
the grocery gang. And the Time Wars. And the Bug Strike. And the Smash Fires. And the Fun Surprise.
Excuse me? You got the names confused.
And the dinos. The nuclear dino. And Fun Surprise. Look!
What?
Camera, look! With the new collection, including Mentos. And the Smashers playset characters.
Oh, well, I thought we were the Dino Smasher skeletons.
Yeah. And the trash rooms.
I'm the mini figures.
Glad that's over with. You know what the time means? That's what's inside the toilet. What? Nothing. No, the king and walking outside. Where are you going?
Home. Bye, goggles. Have fun. Home alone.
Dad!
Well, that means we're gonna have a slumber party, yeah.
Yay!
Well, what are we gonna do? Actually, guys, about that, I have to go and feed the geese today. Really? Yeah. I mean, I got bread, and it's still, summer. No, it's not. It's the autumn. Well, it's still sunny out there.
Do you know what it's called?
What?
Autumn.
Autumn?
A combination of summer and autumn. Autumn.
Oh, really? Did you hear that? Yeah, I think we heard it. Yeah, we're just standing over here. Are you talking to that folder? He just went anyway.
Voila! What do we think when we feed the geese?
Alright, now let's see where I can find the bread. I know some of my guys might be missing, but Oh! I didn't know you guys were out there. Maybe I might try and find you guys something interesting. Oh, aha! Oh, hey there, recycler. Oh, who are you again? I'm X365. Yeah, we get it. Huh? We're gonna feed the geese too. Yeah, look. Look. See how much they like the bread? Yeah. It's great delicacy. Wait, you sure? Yeah, they really want it. Trust me. Here. Here you go. You like it? Yeah, I know you do. So, we're gonna get... Oh, we gotta go, guys. Oh, what was that? Oh, well, they like the bread. Well, whoa. Look at what's inside here. We have a lot of stuff. Look at this. They have a bottle cap and all that. Don't you think it's kind of fun? Oh, look. A silver ring. Yeah, I think we should stay here. Wait, guys, you better go. You guys are gonna be late for the episode. One episode. Look, come here. You know what, guys? Why don't you just go? Fine. Come on, recyclers. Alright. Right. There's one more thing left. Hey there, Mr. Goose. Here you go. I hope you guys are having fun. Yeah, I like them, don't ya? Alright, I'll see you guys later. Have fun. You guys have fun. So if I were to put it in a blender, would it still look the same? Or would it just be like a peanut shaped? Don't you mean it looks cracked all the way?
This is right here, peanut butter. Skippy has peanut butter.
Yeah,
Use it for snacks.
Yeah,
and cereals.
But you clearly can't because it pretends, just like you've already said.
Nah.
But I would still try out the blender theory. I'm not sure if that's really gonna work. Why? Because when I was young, I tried to put in my toy bananas in there.
Yeah.
Turned into a big plastic mess. Why did I even think about bringing it up?
Who's there?
Hello! We just saw the geese eating the bread.
You know.
Yeah.
Right, I forgot.
Okay. Alright, so, I'm not sure if that blender thing might work.
Well, that was pretty funny.
Where's my peanut butter? Forget it. Huh? Oh, I want to see what these two are up to.
At least I got this.
What? What? Well, is that a polar bear? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, what is this? Alright, Goggles, we're coming over. Yeah,
For 2 6 players only! For 6 plus players only! This is free for all!
Oh, really?
Oh
Really? Wait, oh.
I'll pick one!
What's wrong,
Begin
Chomp?
with cow.
What's wrong, Chompy? Oh. What is that again? A box? A box of what? Where is he going? Hold on, Goggles. We'll be right back.
Washing machines.
Wait.
Again.
Munchie, where are you?
Couple. Dolphin clean. Which golf brand makes rather impressive woods? Callaway.
Where are you going? Alright, that's great, Goggles. Where are you trying to go? Yeah. It says that his other color has
Main coloring of Reese's candy are orange.
has the biggest box in the entire world.
Wait a minute. What was that?
It says that he has the biggest box in the entire world.
Well,
Yeah, honestly,
the student.
I don't
Come and grab You should be ashamed of yourself.
Alright, let's take a look at this big box. Yeah. Come on, guys. If you want to go, then you have to go.
Stop peeling your mouse! It's a mouse like a muffin or a beet!
Now it's time to lay back and relax. Huh? What was that? What? Alright, where's the biggest... What? Whoa, look at the size of this thing!
Holy Krabby Patties! A brand new box for me!
Oh, goggles, what's going on in there?
Exclusive bags of... Exclusive bags of blue... Hold on! There we go. Our boxes of bags of blue beans! Give me Max.
Wait a minute. What are you talking about? What?
Here it comes! Here it comes!
Wait, I want some. What? Whoa! Okay.
Wow! You're like a dream come true.
What are you talking about? Come on! Why are there elusive pillows everywhere? And what are these weird blue pasta shapes? Polystyrene? Polystyrene? Is that what it's pronounced?
Ooh, crafty!
Yeah, it actually is.
Yeah!
I guess it's pretty impressive.
Yeah! All these little board games cards for everyone!
I guess that's great. Doesn't taste that great.
Mine has Hershey's cookies and cream.
What is this Russian text?
Oh, it says right here. The Starbucks, McDonald's, Mercedes-Benz, and Pepsi.
I like a good glass of Pepsi. Yeah, I know you used to get all that stuff during the Stone Age, and now we're stuck in here.
What would you now?
It was by a time machine, remember? Yeah, I guess it was a time machine. Oh yeah, we were in a time machine. And we trying it out. Yeah, that's why we
And also,
brought in Chompy. Oh.
and also, wait. Hey!
Oh.
And also, which of these is the name of a candy bar made with chocolate, peanut flavored crisps, and caramel, sold by the Hershey Company, whatchamacallit, thingamajig, or surmalip, or thingamabob.
Now, about the box. Alright, we'll just take a look inside. Well, suit yourself. We're gonna take a look at this weird pasta. Oh man, this is so much fun.
Yeah!
Oh man, here it is. It already looks creepy already. Are you sure we really want to go in here? Come on, we're brave warriors from the Ice Age. Remember Blizzard Bear? I used to, but now that we're here, I don't really think so. I'm kind of nervous. Come on. Here, let's take a look. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm really allowed to be in here. Whoa. I'm in it. It is a weird place. Well, if we could live here, that would be great, right? There's no way we would live in here. We would die. Come on, Blizzard Bear. Stop your complaining. It's not that bad.
Not that bad. We're not that bad. Blue pasta.
Alright then. Actually, it's not that bad. I think I might sleep here. Well, this isn't new.
Looks like it's time for you to go. For all of you who enjoyed it, so like and subscribe, friends. Keep those tiny legs coming and turn the notification bell. If you do get the notification bell, YouTube will let you know. Make our channel grow. Bye!
Yeah, whatever Goggles said. Yeah, I mean, it's really great that we're inside of the gigantic box. Yeah, and it had to end. Well, see ya.